Oh yeah, I roll up to the party with the handle of Bacardi, and I pass it off to all of my friends. Oh yeah, she rolls up to the party in a dress that shows her body, and she's hanging out with all of her friends. Yeah, yeah, let's go. Yeah, she wants to play it like that. Look her in the eyes and she's looking right back. Feel the heat rise with the right contact. She's playing with her hair, so I know she likes that. Yeah, I can feel the beat now. All I wanna do is get her out of the crowd, and on the dance floor with the bass so loud, making my move through the room right now. She used to dance, but then she never danced again. Something in her is dead, but now she has a chance again. So dance, baby, dance again. Take my hand, baby, dance again. It's your chance, baby, dance again. Let's just dance, baby, dance again. So we hit the dance floor, body on mine, want a little bit more. Shawty, you fine, build a little rapport, and we lose track of time, we don't care anymore. Yeah, feel the beat right now. Dance all alone in the middle of a crowd, drinking alcohol like we in another drought. Like LMFAO, taking shots right now. Shots, 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 shots. She's so hot, 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 hot. And then I got caught looking at her hot bod. I just wanna hop on, dance till the night's gone. Can't stop us, no, we don't take it slow. We put on a show, she gets real low. Drinks start to flow, we keep in the zone. We won't leave alone, we don't sleep at all. To dance, but then she never danced again. Something in her is dead, but now she has a chance again. So dance, baby, dance again. Take my hand, baby, dance again. It's your chance, baby, dance again. Let's just dance, baby, dance again.
A good teacher once taught to love others as you love yourself. But I'm just wondering, what about those who struggle to love themselves? Like, hey, so I'm feeling pretty good today. And life taught me, don't trust that good to stay. And if it don't, then at least I know that love's the reason we are broken. But hey, man, I'm feeling pretty good today. Real life, not everyone got parents to love them. Not everyone got a shoulder to lean on when they're struggling. We all got people to hug us, even get told enough that we're important and worthwhile. But it don't mean we aren't. Trust me, I know the story, cause I have lived the story in me. To tell you that demons never communicated you are worthy of love. You're worthy of kindness and the patience. You a dream that is worth chasing and an endless inspiration. And if anyone's is different, well fuck them cause they clueless. The obstacles learn to use them till we grow enough to lose us. Get rid of the demons, quietly a word of the spirits. They are full of so much bullshit, and I'm just so tired of hearing how I ain't good enough. These motherfucking lies, y'all don't know me. Plus the doubt and fear shit is so tired that I'm done with y'all. Cause I don't need your help, and if no one else will do it, I'ma learn to love myself. Like, hey, so I'm feeling pretty good today. And life taught me, don't trust that good to stay. And if it don't, then at least I know that love's the reason we are broken. But hey, man, I'm feeling pretty good today. I don't know if I'm a lyricist, but when I hear this shit, best believe every last soul will be cheering it. There will be warriors and the unseen stars rally around this flag of freedom that we chase from our hearts, and together we will stand, arms linked hand in hand, cause we finally found the people whose souls we understand. They've experienced our pain and sleepless nights and lonely days. If you haven't found us yet, please keep searching, it's not in vain. We will wait for you, we won't take from you. Only accept your battered soul as gratefully as we accept